Gold is continuing to rise in value above 4944.33 at resistance level, and we can see that the daily time frame has closed above this area of resistance, continuing to rise in value. We can see that the week has opened with a small gap between the close price and the open price, and on the 4-hour time frame we can see that clearly with a small gap, but the price is currently rising in value. We can see also that the next resistance level will be around here, around 5100. Let me change that slightly. And it is a 4-hour time frame resistance level where the price is currently heading. This is something that I am expecting currently that the price will reach today, this price of resistance, and then we will see will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, or it will retrace back down again to this area of support 4944, where the price is currently made a bullish breakout. The daily time frame is showing a strength. We can see that here, continue to rise in value after the price has experienced a strong reselling, selling here, pushing the price all the way to 4404.73, and then bouncing from this area of support and then rising in value. This will be a very important resistance level. 5100 is a round number that the price will need to make a bullish breakout to continue to rise in value, again reaching an all-time high price level, which is around 5598.66. But before that we have 5355.62 at resistance level that the price needs to make a bullish breakout. We'll see also how the price will behave, but based on this one, what I can see, let me put this one here just a minute. Insert Fibonacci expansions. Okay, I'll put this one here just to see where the price will try to reach as the next resistance level, and we can see the first one is around 5100.24 and the next one is 5355.62. so based on this one, on this drop down and also this retrace back down, we can see that Fibonacci expansion levels are also suggesting this area of resistance where the price will try to reach after the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. On the daily time frame, just a minute. So the daily time frame is showing me that there is a space for the price to move higher, and also I have made a tool that is also showing me what is the strength currently for the gold. And for example, let me show you, it is a currentlizer. Currentlizer.com. It is a website where I have put this tool where you can see and also select one of the currencies. In my case, I have used gold. Let me show you. After you make a refresh on the page, it is calculating the currency strength, and it will show you most of the currencies that currently are available, and those are, for example, 112 currencies available. And here this tool is showing you what is the best trading opportunity, for example on the 1-hour time frame, and it shows you what is the strength for the buying and also what is for the selling currency. And when you combine these two, if the pair is existing on your broker, it will have this combination score, which is pretty high. So for example, if I take a look here and put only a gold, which is currently what I'm currently looking, I have gold, which is commodity, and I have a score of 76.7, and this is on the 1-hour time frame. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that currently the score is 49.5, which is suggesting currently a buy direction for the gold. And when I click this arrow here, it shows me a combination of all pairs which consist of gold, and we can see that 6 of them are aligned, which means 75% is currently showing me that they are moving in the buy direction, which is the buying strength. And we can see that the score shows me the movement which is compared to average, and that means here gold against Australian dollar is above our average on the currently time frame, which means 4-hour time frame, and it is currently showing me that most of these 6 of them are currently in the bullish scenario. So there is a high chance that the gold against all currencies will rise in value for the next period. And on the 4-hour time frame, this is what is currently showing me. Then we have here a 1-hour time frame. It is also showing me a bullish strength. We have only on 15 minutes, we have information that these prices currently has experiencing a drop in value. So for example, if you would like to change the time frame, simply go here, display time frame, it will show M15 and it will be score minus 65.7, which is selling direction, and this is the reason why, because the price is currently losing its value. Now based on this one, what we can see here, and if I go to the daily time frame, it is also showing me currently it is a bearish sentiment, but most of the time it will show, we will see during the day how the day will end. But currently I'm on the 4-hour time frame, and I would like to see how the price is behaving. What is currently showing me, it is currently rising in value, so there is a high chance that the gold will still continue to rise in value. Will it happen? Nobody knows, but currently this tool just shows me how the price is behaving for gold against many currencies that are currently available here inside the tool. And most of the time we can see the gold is rising against all these other currencies, so I'm still expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, which is reaching 5100.24. This is a tool I have built for myself because it is helping me to find the best trading currencies, which means what is the best currency for trading, and that means if I make a refresh, it will show me which is the best combination of the currencies. So you have other options, and that means you can put here minimum pairs, which means I would like to have minimum 5 pairs, which means at least 5 pairs has this currency inside as a base or quote currency. For example, I have USD, which is 65 compared to 78. Most of them are showing me a score of selling. So this is also a tool where you can select which ones would you like to have as a type. For example, Forex, you can see that the best combination is Australian dollar against Japanese yen, which means buy Australian dollar and sell Japanese yen. Most of the time, the best is if you have a combined score above 100, which means this current movement is above the average movement. So this is the goal, how to track that. For example, if we go on the 1 hour time frame and find what is the best pair, for example, Australian dollar against Japanese yen, on the 1 hour time frame it has combination 240, which means Australian dollar has most of the time 7 of 9 currencies are rising in value, and we have Japanese yen 11 against 12 currencies are losing the value. So if you click here more, you'll see more details inside this one. So it is something that can help you quickly find which currency and also the pair is the best to trade. Is it buy or sell? You can also leave me a feedback if you found any errors, or is there any kind of misunderstanding, or if there is an error or you think it is not calculated correctly. Feel free to leave me a feedback, or if you would like to have something improved, adding some of the features, feel free to leave a feedback. I will be gladly to increase this efficiency of this tool and add more features to help you in trading analysis. I'm also building more of these tools behind because I like to have a tool that helps me quickly find and also analyze the pairs. So it will be more of these tools later on added here on this website. So feel free to check once in a while, and you can use on the daily basis this tool if you find it useful. Here you have button, how it works. When you click on it, it will show you a small explanation how the tool works. So feel free to check that and use it in your favor. So for now, I'm expecting that the gold will rise to 5100.24, which is the next resistance level. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.